This is Seesaw. You'll be able to go through and you should see your journal that has any kind of information that your teacher has posted. You'll see activities. These are assignments you'll need to do. And then you also have an inbox where your teacher can post messages, announcements, that kind of stuff here. So we'll start with journal. Here you can see your teacher asked a question. So which character do you relate to the most when you go online? So it says which of these are your favorite characters. Rewatch the video in the activities section to meet them. So I can go to my activities and I can answer that. Once I'm ready, I can click comment and then I can comment. And then I can post it. I can also click on this little button here and it will record my voice as I'm going through. My favorite character is the green one because I want to stand. It'll answer that. It'll upload that answer. So you can either do it in writing or you can do it as an audio. Once I'm done, I can click the X to exit out and you can see that both of them are pending approval. That means that your teacher will listen or read your answer and then they will approve it so that it will show up below. You can also click the Add button and then you can upload a photo, you can do a document, you can write a note, you can draw a picture, create a video, or you can link to a different website. There's lots of different ways that you can show your work to your teacher. Under the activities, these are your assignments. So you might need to open this up and you have your directions along with the title and you can click on the link and this is a video so I can go to that link and it will play the video. I then can go here and add my response and it's going to pull up the assignment. So my assignment is to look at the different characters and I want to draw one of those. So I could do a little text box. I can record as I'm working. I can take a picture. I can either take one or I can upload it. I also have different backgrounds and shapes I can do. And then down at the bottom, I have different writing tools. So I can pick which tool I want to use as well as an eraser. So I can go through and create my little character. And if I want to change color, I can go over here and add this little pause here. And then I think I'm done. So once I'm done, up at the very top, there is a green checkbox. I'll go ahead and click on that. If I'm not done, I can click on the yellow or orange check, and that's a draft. That means that it's going to save it and I can come back later. So I'm going to click on the green checkbox and it's going to upload my view to my activity. So now you can see there it is right there and it's waiting for approval. That again means that it's going to go to my teacher. They're going to look at it and then I can click on it to go. I then go to add response and then I can answer this one here too. The very last section is the inbox. The inbox is going to be where your teacher will post different messages to you and to your parents. So you can see that the first message is today we are talking about digital citizenship. There are 2 activities and a journal post that you need to complete today. And then there's another one that has a little activity sheet that I can do with my family. So I can click on that and there's the activity that I can do with my family and see it's 2. So you can see all the different characters and the links. I, as the student, can also add a comment, upload anything I want here as well. And then if I have anything due today, That's where my calendar is going to be as well. If I have other classes, I can always click on my little thing here, and you can see I have just one class right now. But if you have any other classes, like if you have a class for PE or a class for music or STEM, you can add those here, and so you can go to each one of your classes to find them here. Last but not least, I have my account settings. Account settings means that I can change the name, I can change and take a picture of me for my icon, and I can get notifications if I want. If you have any questions on how to use this, please contact your teacher and they will help you with this.